Welcome to video E54, independent events. Two events are independent if one of them does not affect the outcome of the other. For example, you flip a coin. I don't care if you get 100 tails in a row, the probability of getting a heads the next time is 1/2. It doesn't remember what happened previously. Okay, and that's what this lesson is about. Okay, so if you've got two independent events, the probability of A and B occurring at the same time is probability of A times the probability of B. In general, the word and means to multiply in probability. Okay, we've got two examples. All right, so example one. Here we have a spinner. We've got 8 equal area sections, 2 of which are black and 6 of which are red. We're going to spin the spinner twice, and we want to find the probability of spinning first a black and then second a red, and we want a simplified fraction. Okay, so that word and means to multiply. If I spin the spinner once, it doesn't remember what happened before. It's still going to be the same probability, so this is independent. Okay, so all I got to do is multiply the probability of getting the black for the first spin times the probability of getting a red for the second spin. And I just put the colors up here. So, all right, so the probability of having the first spin be black, there's 2 blacks out of a total of 8. So that would be 2/8. Probability of a red, there's 6 reds over 8. So 6/8. Okay, you can multiply it out. 12/64, divide by 2, divide by 2. 6/32, divide by 2, divide by 2. 3/16. You can use your Desmos calculator with the fraction to reduce if you want to. Okay, one more example. Example 2. All right, so we got 2 different parks, Park C and Park M, and there's people fishing at each park. At Park C, the people fishing, 36 of them have a license and 4 of them do not. At Park M, of the fishers, 25 have a license and 25 do not. One person from each park is going to be selected randomly. We want to find the probability that the people we choose are from Park C with no license and from Park M with a license, and we want a decimal answer. Okay, these are independent events. By picking somebody from Park C has no effect on who I picked from the other park. They don't talk to each other and say, hey, scram. Okay, so it's going to be just the product of the probabilities of each. So the probability of C with no license times the probability of M with a license. Okay, so C with no license, well, there's 4 of those people out of a total of 40. I'll just write the total as 40. All right, so it's going to be 4/40 times the probability of M with a license. M with a license is 25 out of a total of 50 from that park. Times 25/50. And again, they want an exact decimal answer this time, so you can just use your Desmos calculator, and I got 0.05. So there you have it, 2 examples on how to deal with probabilities of independent events.